I always love to see my 3 pups on point. The conditions couldn't have been better. It was cold with some moisture on the ground.
Oh, look at this. Looks like I got 3 dogs on point.
The birds sat tight and the dogs held their point. Well, except for Tori. It's been a long season of chasing running birds, and she has gotten a little used to the birds running.
Bring it here.
But Tori did have the best retrieve of the day.
There's my
For
girl.
now, I'm going to let you watch the dogs do their thing.
Oh, and there it is right there. There it is. Okay. Here we go. Oh, looks like we might have something. Okay, boy. Okay. All right. Okay. Oh, there it is right there. Oh, he's got a point. There we go. I don't know what you got. What you got, Charles? Where is it? Okay. Is it running on you? There it is. There it is. Somebody's got a point. That is a pretty point. That's a goose. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. That's a good girl. Trying to. Oh, somebody's got another point. Look at that. Oh.
This next one, I get all the credit. This is a first for me.
Charlie boy has something.
I have 2 dogs on point on 2 different birds. I moved in on Charlie because he is my best hunter
Lily
with the
might
best
have
nose.
something too.
Unfortunately, his nose sometimes
we got a
puts him
couple
on a
birds
false
out here.
point.
Whoa!
So it was actually Lily with the
Nice,
live
Tori.
bird.
What,
I
Tori?
kind of felt like I was playing a little shell game of
Whoa.
which dog has the real bird.
All right, here we go. Whoa!
Thanks for watching, liking, subscribing, and God bless. And here's another hunting adventure I'm sure you enjoy.